guys, I'm the Magalicious baby. We are here today on High Court on matter based on how matter they go with the carry matter they come with the reason into the matter. And then with my
What my people case are meeting me for the first time. I go about the name MC Banus or the Commission of Comedy is Royal Talkative Online Zadi.
And today matter we carry come High Court like this is about Kunle Afod wife. We go fighting side chick. Say side chick don't carry belly for the husband. And that's not just end like that. Imagine when wife could come up from house, go they fight with side chick for outside. Say, you don't go carry belly for my husband. This matter long go, the matter get head, it get But sometimes if you ask me, I go say, nah, maybe the woman don't say, I no one born again. And the man say, I still feel like say, I won't get one small baby, make it they cry, where I dey, make I just they come, make it just I hear the voice of that cry. And wife say, okay, I no want to go. Now when me are the reason the matter they go be that too. If not like that, wait till make side chick come decide to get belly for Kunle.
You see the matter, all these celebrities, Nollywood actors, the matter they get. You see, especially this Kunle Afod wife, Desola Afod, it would like a husband. So you see, now it be like a woman. No woman go want make your husband go outside. Make all the years say another girl don't get belly for your husband. So the thing is not making sense. So at least your husband, at least make your bola stay one place. Not say you go they share. You get wife for house, but if you want marry another wife, marry your wife go know say, hey, this one now only me and this one would share the bola. So no be say women get this kind thing for their body. We be say once they hear say something, their husband get another side chick for outside. If now you wait you go do.
But you know wetin they shock the woman pass, then they mock the husband say, I see you side chick don't go carry belly for you. So, who be Jesus?
Who be Jesus?
No, as in who be the man will be Jesus when they outside there. When go say okay, you no get side chick. Now when he never hook you, you go feel say maybe you no get.
After Jesus now
but
me.
If you hook
I'm very responsible.
I mean, now they wait till my guy they talk. Say after Jesus now.
Nah, me. I'm very responsible. I don't do that.
And now them they get side chick pass because now they are tight. So if now your guys don't beside me, now then they get side chick pass.
I'm not side chick.
Because
even me for my relationship, I be side cock.
Okay, don't let her deceive you. Now lie you. He get to no man when no get side chick.
Just imagine. Okay, for man, I want like for a man now. You can't hear say another man for outside. Give your wife belly. How you go take it? No, this thing just the reason and vice versa. I don't blame all these housewives that go after their husband's side chick, beat them up, therefore they break their head. Like seriously, therefore they you never marry. You hear say person don't marry. At least find your guy, find another guy, go front. Get belly for her, Mona start life.
According to Nigeria constitution, but tell me where they say woman supposed marry to.
If there is say waiting.
Say according to Nigeria constitution, tell me where they say woman supposed marry two husbands, or even to
for
get
Nigeria,
side chick if you are a married woman.
If I am a married woman, for inside that constitution, where they say man must marry two wives.
According to the tradition of the country,
no be tradition you ask me. No be tradition you ask me.
Okay, for Nigeria constitution in the courts of as they hold based on high court.
No, be that one. We are not talking.
No married woman is as in approved. Say you need to get side husband or side boyfriend. He no deal.
Or sugar boy.
Even that one self he no deal.
But where you can't do
even for Bible self, Bible counsel am say man fit marry more than one.
Read am out.
For the Bible chapter. I bet by the next time we go come, I will bring out the Bible scripture for you.
Wait, but I can tell you, say for in Africa there is a country I don't forget the name. We will say man, now woman, he get right to any man where you want marry.
Woman get right to any man where you want marry.
Woman, if you marry third, now you will come tell you say now you be the
na still African country.
Na
still African country.
Yes.
But there is no country that approve that woman like this. That African country, I just want if you mention inside. If I feel remember the name, I'll call the name for you. But I just want if you get the name of that African country. But if you count all country, no woman is allowed to marry. When you are married, say you get. Wetin they define for sugar boy? I don't understand. Wetin make you go marry if you know say you want to get 1, 2, 3. You for woman stay single no. But Kunle Afod now we be saying don't marry. Now he decide say okay maybe, and most times you know say now all these people are celeb. And people will be saying na celeb dem be. and e might guests go dey run after them even if dem no want, dem go wan do something wey go make the man fall for them. So if the wife comot from house or maybe she come dey fight because of say dem don dey mock the husband say one of the recent one wey happen to one of the celeb now wey be say e go give girl belle wey the girl come born, then dey born now. Borning na normal thing. The fact say you no carry the woman come meet you for house, why you wan go die say because your husband give side chick belle? If your husband marry more than one, more than two, you no go fit stay as the first wife. You wan go kill yourself because of say your husband go get marry second wife, and you come be say na side chick you go give belle, you never carry am come. And you go rent house for am, or make buy house for am. She go dey where she dey, you dey where you dey.
You see, this thing is vice versa.
Okay.
It's not right for a man. If you wan marry. There is nothing like, you don't ever see side chick for inside Bible.
No, they use this one to deceive your girlfriend.
No, I'm not using anything to deceive. If yes. I wan marry another wife, if my girlfriend, I will tell her, babe, I wan marry another person. So just take heart. Okay,
just because of say they say na side chick, the one wey happen to you or Edochie, na side chicken color.
No, that one na side fowl.
Okay, in later go marry the woman. Na the first one, the same thing wey dey happen to Kunle Afod na im come dey happen to her. When she say her world crumble before her, when she notice that my husband don marry second wife, he say when I look like, they say be like say world don crumble before me. But just because of how people dey try to give her comment through encouragement comments wey she dey read, come make her wey she feel say okay, life still dey, life still move ahead. The man no cut the love from you, the man no stop you as the first wife, he no comot your space. So if your husband, nobody, no woman pray, even me wey dey here, I no pray make my husband go get side chick.
You see life. Can you see?
I don't dey talk my own no, because I no pray make my husband go get side chick. But what if e don happen? That one no mean say my life don end. Woman wey be say your husband don give side chick belle, life no end for where you feel say e don end. Just look and say wetin don happen, e don happen. Some women go say okay, if the girl born, bring the pikin come house to avoid you dey waka say I dey go check on them. Carry the pikin come house, settle the girl make she dey go. I go take care of the girl. Na my husband pikin. Okay. But some go feel say why I go carry the pikin come house? Wetin the pikin wan come do for house? So abeg, babe.
Abeg, all this way they talk. Guys wey dey outside there. She dey talk now say if you come,
you must call on the guys.
Guys wey dey outside there, don't mind that, but if you go get another, you get one day wey be say my girlfriend, the way we dey live together, go buy fuel. You go buy fuel for filling station. Me why no get generator? Na me she wan born so wahala. You don hear say girls dey kill their boyfriend if you do anyhow. Guesses.
No, this no be boyfriend sef. This na husband.
Boyfriend na true. If girl don dey sleep for your house, you are married on credit. Na so e be. Okay
guys, na as matter take come, as we take reason inside Kunle Afod matter with him wife, I wan beg the wife say make she just take care, take time, take heart, and make she console herself so she fit stand and reason how the matter dey go. But make she make sure say make this thing no comot me from where I dey, because if you don begin dey comot from house go dey fight your husband side chick, definitely you don dey give your husband more strength and more encourage to dey comot from house, even to get more than that one. So every married woman should be very careful of every step wey you dey take. I no dey encourage married men to dey go get side chick. It's very wrong. Please, if you know say your wife no fit do am, you no go dey do am. Say hence be say you be man. So I dey beg everybody, both the married men, both the married husband, let's take marriage serious. Let's make sure that wetin make me don enter marriage. They say marriage na two party. So wetin make you don enter as a man, na the same thing make the woman self enter. They give that woman that courage, that strength. Make that woman know say yes, I dey beside you and you dey beside am. Thank you. Please share, like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you all.